Your Canberra home deserves carpentry that's built to last. Millynn Homes specializes in transforming properties across the ACT with expert craftsmanship that handles everything from structural framing to the finest interior details. Need a custom deck that actually enhances your outdoor living? Done. A pergola that provides shade while adding serious curb appeal? We've got you covered. Modern cladding that improves insulation and elevates your home's look? That's our specialty. And when it comes to interior work, shelving, staircases, door installations, repairs, our team delivers precision in every finish. What sets us apart? We use weather-resistant, sustainable materials designed specifically for Canberra's unique climate. Whether you're in Braddon, Ainslie, Yarralumla, Griffith, or anywhere across the ACT, Millynn Homes brings transparent communication and professional guidance to every project. From classic homes in Turner to modern apartments in the city, we tailor our carpentry services Canberra residents rely on to match your exact vision. Ready to upgrade your property with craftsmanship that stands the test of time? Millynn Homes, where quality meets attention to detail.